now jumping up with a bit of chicken. Oh!
I can't find it. I'll search for it.
That'll do today. You go around the floor. Think we're doing this one. Right, we'll go for a second one. If he does this, I'll be over the moon. This is the part where you don't look up with your mouth open to the man who's behind me. Always go to that. Look at that, you go around the floor. Now, I want to land back on this perch here, Regan. I like to finish him off back in the middle. Still got a bit of room in his mouth. If you've got the energy to get back around. So the way he's back down there, turn it off. Has he landed?
He's behind the 10.
Great. It's a huge bird of prey, never usually come out of trees, that's all.
Oh, he's in the tree then.
Very true. Whereabouts is he? Round a bit from the tent. Oh, I see him. Hold on. Can I get you guys to move back a bit? Thank you. I can call him back round. Yes? We can get back into the middle. He does usually come out of them quite well. As I said, he's not fit enough, and this is why you get the bad habits. If your birds aren't fit enough, they have to land in a tree. It's sort of already starting a bad habit. Because probably in a second or two time I've started here, I'll probably be underneath that tree with this tea birch, and you think who's training who here? So they're not that daft. Give him a second or two, or give him the benefit of the doubt. But I don't like to feed him out the tree because I don't want him landing in it.